Your child can learn coding and robotics easily at an affordable price. Snowman Publishers is proud to introduce to you for the first time in Pakistan, Computer and Coding in Scratch Junior, STEM Robotics Kit and a book. Special features, easy to understand, step-by-step instructions, self-help, QR video solutions. We will show you how a kid can create a project in Scratch Junior. Open the Scratch Junior app. Drag a block to the scripts area. Drag a block to the scripts area. Drag a block to the scripts area. Click on the background button. Click on the background picture. Click on the OK button. Set the position of the character. Click on the green flag to start the script. Click on the expand button. Click on the stop button. Click on the reduce button. We have published Computer and Coding in Scratch Junior for grades 1 to 5. We have also published STEM Robotics for Beginners for grades 6 to 8. You can see how your child can perform a robotics project in this video. We are going to demonstrate a robotic project from our book. Project 9. Blinking LED on breadboard with Arduino Uno. Grab the needed parts according to the instructions given on page number 80. Arduino board. Breadboard. LED. Resistor. USB cable. 2 jumper wires. Connect the LED to the breadboard. Connect the resistor to the breadboard. Connect the first jumper wire to the breadboard. Connect the second jumper wire to the breadboard. Connect the first jumper wire to the Arduino board. Connect the second jumper wire to the Arduino board. Connect the USB cable to the Arduino board. Connect the Arduino board to the computer. The LED is not blinking yet, but now we will write the code to execute it. Open the Arduino IDE program on your computer. Double-click to start the Arduino IDE program. Click on the new sketch. Write a 10-line code. click on the upload button. The sketch has been uploaded successfully now. Congratulations! You have completed your project. After programming, the LED is now blinking. Now, you need our book and kit to do these projects. Your child can also use a video guide to scan the QR code on the page. Your child can perform 24 projects from our book and kit. We claim that your computer teachers can easily learn robotics projects from this book. After learning, they can also teach your children. Contact us for a pilot project. Call to buy a book and a kit.